Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing about the optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, now the question remains the same. There are 3 frames and 12 pages which are given here: 7012, 0304, 2303. Okay, now in the optimal page replacement technique we will do just the reverse of what we were doing in case of FIFO and somewhat like the LRU. Okay, now in FIFO and LRU we were checking which page is present for the longest time before. Okay, now in optimal we will be checking which page is not going to be used for longest time in future. Okay, so let's see. Now the first 3 pages will be allotted easily, so 70 and 701. Now for page 2, now 7, we can check that 7 will not be used anywhere in future, so we can replace 7. So 201. Now since 0 is already there, so that will be a page hit, so we will mark it. Then we have 3. Now 0 will be used just after 3, so we can't replace 0. 2 will also be used in future, but 1 will not be used anywhere in future, so we will replace 1 with 3. Then we have 0 again, which is already present, so that will be again a page hit. Then we have 4. Now 2 and 3 will be used in future before 0, so we can replace 0 with 4. Okay, then we have 2, which is already present, so that means it is a page hit. Then again we have 3, that means it is a page hit, which is because 3 is already present. Then we have 0. Now 3 will be used in future, but 2 will not be used anywhere in future. Also 4 will not be used anywhere in future, but since 2 is there at first, then we will replace 2. So 0, 4, 3. If it was like this, that 4 is there in place of 2 and 2 is there in place of 4, then we would have replaced 4. But since 2 is there at the beginning, therefore we have to replace 2 only. Okay. And finally we have 3, which is already present, so that means it is again a page hit. So this is the optimal page replacement technique. Now we will calculate the number of page hits. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. That means page faults is 12 minus 5, that is 7. So page fault rate is 12 by 7, that is equal to 1.71. Okay. So in case of FIFO, the page fault rate was 1.2. In case of LRU, it was 1.33, and in case of optimal, it is 1.71. So FIFO has the least page fault rate and optimal has the highest page fault rate, but FIFO has the lowest page hits and optimal has the highest page hits. Okay, so this was all about the page replacement techniques, and this was the last video on page replacement techniques. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the videos among your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.